We are going to be performing a synthesis reaction with solid magnesium and oxygen gas to form magnesium monoxide. So, first things first, we take down our balance, and we're going to have to heat our magnesium. So what we do is take down a crucible, weigh it. So we have 88 grams, which I noted here. Take that off, add the magnesium compound. Crucible, I'm going to add 5 grams. Now I weighed again just to make sure that this is consistent, which it is, 93 grams. And we're going to need to heat this magnesium so that it can react with the air around it so that there's oxygen added. So we put on a low flame to not burn the magnesium, but heat the air around it so oxygen can bond with magnesium to form an entirely new compound, which is what a synthesis reaction is. So we let this sit for a minute or two so that the oxygen has time to react. We let it sit. Once it's been heated long enough, we can take the crucible off of the Bunsen burner, turn it off, and then we mass this again. And then we see that we have a new mass, 96.289 grams. Now, we can see that through calculation and subtraction, the mass of our product here after heating is 8.289 grams, which is more than what I put in, which was 5 grams of magnesium. Now, we can account this discrepancy to the mass of oxygen that was added during the reaction, which was 3.289 grams.
This reaction was the synthesis reaction between magnesium, a solid, and oxygen gas to form magnesium oxide in solid form. We know that the magnesium oxide is a solid because mass was added to the crucible after the reaction. So this is a synthesis reaction where magnesium and oxygen are synthesized. But if you look at the first equation, this isn't a balanced equation because there is 1 magnesium, 2 oxygens on one side, and then 1 oxygen and 1 magnesium on the other side. So to balance this equation, a factor of 2 was put on the magnesium oxide, so now it is 2 MgO. This increases magnesium to 2 and oxygen to 2. So now the oxygens are balanced on both sides. However, there is only 1 magnesium on the left side. So to solve this, there is a 2 placed in front of the magnesium on the left side of the equation. So the final equation is 2 Mg plus O2 becomes 2 MgO.